Let's start. Best of luck.
1. Which sentence is correct? A. She don't know the answer. B. She doesn't knows the answer. C. She doesn't know the answer. Two. Fill in the blank. He has been living here 2015. A for B, since C from our. Three. Choose the correct past tense of go. A. Went. B. Gone. C. Goed. 4th. Which is correct? A. I am going to home. B. I am going home. C. I am going at home. Five. Fill in the blank. I prefer tea-coffee. A to B over C, then six. Which is the correct plural form? A. Child's. B. Children. C. Children's. Seven. Identify the adverb. She quickly finished her homework. A. She. B. Finished. C. Quickly. Eight. Which sentence is in passive voice? A. They built the bridge in 1990. B. The bridge was built in 1990. C. They are building the bridge. Nine. Fill in the blank. He is afraid snakes. A for B of C from ten. Which sentence is correct? A. She married to a doctor. B. She married with a doctor. C. She married a doctor. Eleventh. Fill in the blank. Neither of the answers correct. A is B or C, B. Which is the correct question tag? A. You're tired, aren't you? B. You're tired, is you? C. You're tired, don't you? Fill in the blank. She has been here 2 hours. A. Since B for C from R. Which is correct? A. The news is interesting. B. The news are interesting. C. The news were interesting. Choose the antonym of polite. A. Rude. B. kind. C, gentle. (17) Fill in the blank. I am looking forward dash meeting you. A for B to C at N. (17) Which is correct? A, he is good in English. B, he is good at English. C, he is good on English. (18) Choose the correct comparative form. A, more better. B, better. C, gooder. (19) Fill in the blank. She succeeded dash her efforts. A, in B, by C, with. (20) Which sentence is correct? A, the furniture are expensive. B, the furniture is expensive. C, the furnitures are expensive. (21) Fill in the blank. We haven't met dash last summer. A for B, since C, from. (22) Which is correct? A, each of the boys have a pen. B, each of the boys has a pen. C, each of the boys having a pen. (23) Choose the correct sentence. A, she did not know the answer. B, she did not know the answer. C, she did not knows the answer. (24) Fill in the blank. The train dash at 9 p.m. A, leave. B, leaves. C, leaving. (25) Which is correct? A, he is junior to me. B, he is junior than me. C, he is more junior than me. (26) Fill in the blank. She is capable dash great achievements. A, of B for C, with. (27) Which is correct? A, the scissors are on the table. B, the scissors is on the table. C, the scissors are on the table. (28) Choose the correct synonym of brave. A, coward. B, courageous. C, fearful. (29) Fill in the blank. We arrived dash the airport early. A, at B, in C, to. 30. Which sentence is correct? A. I am used to waking up early. B. I am used to wake up early. C. I used to waking up early. "31st. Fill in the blank. The book is different. Dash the magazine. A. Then B. From C to. "32. Which is correct? A. I am going to the market. B. I am going in the market. C. I am going at the market. "33. Choose the correct word. Dash book is this? A. Who's B? Who's C? Who? "34. Fill in the blank. He is one of the best players. Dash the team. A. In B of C from Thaco. "35. Which is correct? A. He told to me the truth. B. He told me the truth. C. He said me the truth. "36. Fill in the blank. She talks as if she dash everything. A. No B. No C. New. "37. Choose the antonym of increase. A. Decrease. B. Grow. C. Expand. "38. Which is correct? A. He is one of those students who always works hard. B. He is one of those students who always work hard. C. He is one of those students who work hardly. "39th. Fill in the blank. If I dash rich, I would travel the world. A. Was B. Were C. M. "40. Which sentence is correct? A. The number of students is increasing. B. The number of students are increasing. C. The number of students have increased. "41st. Fill in the blank. We are short dash sugar. A. In B. On C of. "42. Which is correct? A. The teacher as well as the students were present. B. The teacher as well as the students was present. C. The teacher as well as the students are present. "43rd. Fill in the blank. She succeeded dash solving the problem. A. On B in C with. 44. Which is correct? A. I will call you when I will arrive. B. I will call you when I arrive. C. I call you when I arrive. "45th. Fill in the blank. This is the man dash helped me. A. Which B? Who C? Whom? "46. Choose the correct form. A. She has went to the market. B. She has gone to the market. C. She has go to the market. "47th. Fill in the blank. He insisted dash paying the bill. A. On B to C at "48. Which is correct? A. I look forward to meet you. B. I look forward to meeting you. C. I look forward meeting you. "49th. Fill in the blank. The police dash investigating the case. A. Is B or C B? "50. Which sentence is correct? A. This is between you and I. B. This is between you and me. C. This is between me and you.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.